We are back with Today Food Loves Football. With Christmas on Sunday this year, the NFL is going to be in action, including a holiday night clash between the Buccaneers and the Cardinals. Chef Zane Holmquist is here with some festive snacks and some drinks to enjoy during the game. His 10th straight year doing this. Chef, welcome back. That's some cheese I've never seen before.
This is our Ski Queen cheese. So fantastic Norwegian cheese. Has this caramely nutty flavor to it. It's really great.
So what are we going to be making?
So we're gonna make our skiers on horseback. So we're gonna take the pits out of our dates. We're gonna take our cheese. So once you get that pit out, we're gonna cut our cheese just to size. We're gonna stuff these. We want to pre-cook this bacon a little bit.
Okay.
So 4 to 5 minutes. And we're gonna roll these things up. And
that's good.
Super easy.
Anytime you roll something with bacon, it's gonna be good.
It's better. And we're going to give those a little bit. We're going to pre-cook that. You can give one a try.
Oh, it's so good.
And they're going to look like this. We're going to bake these for 4 to 5 minutes. And they're going to come out just like this. Crispy outside, sweet caramely cheese, dates. These are amazing for a football game.
That's really yummy, Chef.
It's great.
All right. And we go from the dates now to this cool popcorn.
Cool popcorn. So we've got some butter in here. We're going to make a little caramel. We've popped our popcorn. We're going to add our brown sugar.
Brown sugar, that was Chanel Jones' nickname in high school.
All right.
That's right, Craig.
Hey-o.
Never gets old.
We're gonna add a little vanilla. We're gonna add some great molasses to this. That's gonna give us some of that flavor of our gingerbread. Some oil. And we're gonna get this up to.
So that's how you make it.
This is gonna make the caramel.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna end up with this. So this beautiful caramel, we pour pour this over our popcorn. We're gonna give it a toss.
Okay.
Sheet pans, cookie bake sheets. We're gonna go in. After we come out of our baking, if you can add some of our holiday treats.
Oh, that's clever. The kids would love this.
So we're gonna add
some more chocolate chips.
Yeah, whatever your favorites are. No hard candies, but some gumdrops, M&Ms,
put a few,
any of your holiday treats.
Try that popcorn. That is good.
That's what we call grazing material.
We're going to give it a toss. We'll add a little bit more.
Craig's trying to get his hand in your bowl.
Oh, yeah. So this has, you've got your ginger, your nutmeg, your allspice. So we've got our popcorn done. We move over here.
So
we're making a chilled hot chocolate.
Ooh.
So we made this dairy-free. You can switch and use whole milk if you want, half and half. So we went with oat milk. And to our oat milk, we're going to add a little dark cocoa powder.
Ooh.
So we're going to add about a half a cup of sugar, some vanilla, and some orange juice. It's going to give a little bit of an orange flavor in the back.
It has like a little
orange. Yeah, just a little bit of orange. So we're gonna get this till it's warm. We're gonna add our chocolate bits, and you can go milk chocolate if you prefer.
It's like a milk chocolate soda.
It is. Ooh. So that's where we're gonna end up. We're gonna end up with this. So we're gonna put it in our shaker.
Okay.
And once we get it in shaker with ice, so this is how we make our chilled bit. So we've got our ice in here.
Okay.
We give them a little shake.
Oh my goodness.
We come into
I like it's creative. It's different.
Come into our glass.
Yeah.
And then we add our salsa.
Ah.
I've never had anything like that.
Me neither.
And a little cinnamon. Finish with our orange.
We're trying to do something new. These are all
and
new.
our holiday bit
stuff in there.
I know.
Thank you.
It's so good.
Chef Holmquist. Merry
Cheers.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you all.
Chef Zane, thank you.
Yum.
All of these recipes, they're on the website, today.com/food.
It's really good.
And be sure to catch that Christmas night battle between the Bucs and Cardinals Sunday night, only on NBC.